use these two right next to each other. So here's a look on the inside. It is a 12-foot by 16-foot shed. So I wired in from the house. Right here I have a light switch. And that light switch is hot all the time to this power outlet. There's 4 outlets there. And then from there it runs to the back side of the shed to 4 more outlets and to an AC unit, which I don't have on right now because it's loud. We've got one toolbox here, which fell out of the back of the car, so it's got some dings and dents, brand new, and that's kind of annoying. You can see the scratches right there. Over here we have an identical one that didn't fall out of the car, and what I got these for is a lot of bench space. I want a lot of bench space that I can work with, and I was going to put the vise. I have a vise. I was going to put it right over here, but if I had something long, then I wouldn't be able to use the space. Then we have my old toolbox here, and we've got that set up, and then an empty space here. I'm 85% sure that one of these toolboxes can actually fit right here, or if I move that over, I could have a third one in this area right here. I would have to measure it again, but I'm pretty sure that it fits. As far as the walls, I have various things. I've got a flashlight right up here and a couple motorcycle bells, gremlin bells. Right over here we have fuses, and it's just a jar that you screw to the wood here. You screw it in 2 times and then put the jar on, you can unscrew it. So these are some fuses. These ones are 25 amp, I believe. Yeah, 25 amp. I'm still missing one jar. Should be one more jar right here. But we've got from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then 30 amp. And then over here, we have some more jars. These are the same thing, except they are the mini fuses. So, I have fuses galore for in case any fuses go out. Right over here we've got my mechanics wire, my phone charger, and then this actually goes to the bench, and there's a power strip in the bench right down there. So if I need to plug anything down there, I can. I found a license plate while I was cleaning up the yard. I just spent the last 2 hours cleaning up. Yeah, it's not really done that well. So, back to what's in here. We have the benches. I've done some cleanup and picked up some tools, so there's some tools that are here that weren't here before. What's in these drawers? And we're gonna find that out right now. So, I don't have these fully organized yet, but right now I've got wire brushes in here, random key, and yeah, just random stuff in this one. I've got my stapler and extra razor blades in this one. And here I have stud finder, essentially drywall stuff and air compressor stuff, as well as it's just random stuff in this one. I have various wrenches. These are extras. Well, this one's not extra. This is my distributor wrench. This one is empty. This one is all my bits. So every bit that I have or tool like this that I have are in here. Not all of them yet because I don't have all my tools in here yet. In this one we've got pretty much all my sockets. I still have a few that are they're in various places around the house. And this one we've got all my electronics, so any wire repair kit, And I have more in a ammo box, but it's not in here. So that is what's in this, including zip ties and like wire nuts and electrical tape. In this one we have hammers and more wire brushes. And in the bottom one, this is essentially my diagnosis drawer. So I don't have it in here, but I have a fuel pressure tester. I've got a Noid test kit. I've got a spark tester, compression tester, more compression testers. This one's a vacuum tester actually. And my timing light. And then, let me move these out of the way, these wires. Over here in the top drawer, I've got my breaker bar. I've got a long magnet that's dirty, and my various sizes of pry bars, including gloves. In this drawer, I've got my ratchets, my pliers. This one's got the cordless ratchet in it, and my Dremel. This one has a 90-degree drill, my grinder, and extra towels. Over here is my screwdrivers. Over here is my metric wrenches. So this is like one set, and then this is another set. My 15 is somewhere around here. This is my standard set. And then this is all extra things for cars. So like this one goes to my 2001 Xterra. And that one goes to the Mustang, various other things. And then over here, this is my snap-on torque wrench. This is a 1/2-inch drive, electric torque wrench. In here we have just some length of wire, various tools I don't have a place for yet. Gloves, a shop light and extension cord. Nothing, and paint brushes and detailing brushes. So not everything is in here. In fact, these drills need to go, they go over here. Not everything is in here yet. I'm gonna be putting stuff in this corner. This is gonna be where I have all like my brooms and shovels and stuff like that. But what's really cool is this space is big enough for a motorcycle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to restore a motorcycle. This motorcycle. So if we take a look outside and we come around the side here, we have my 1987 Honda Super Magna. And this is a V4, so it's a 4-cylinder in the V configuration. I essentially haven't done anything to this bike yet. In fact, it has a wasp nest right in there that it's just been chilling. There is nothing that's been done to this bike yet. In fact, I rolled it back here and it's been parked ever since. I haven't even gone through this bag. I don't know what's in there. Probably nothing. So we're gonna do a full restoration on this bike. This right here is where the power comes in from the ground. It's down 18 inches, comes into the shed, and then a beautiful Arches Mechanic logo on the front of the shed. This is an update. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for subscribing. I hope that all of you are still interested in the endeavors that I have been doing, and more videos will be coming soon.